Welcome to Bike Lab. Today we're diving into the details of the highly anticipated 2025 Honda Activa 5G. With its popularity and iconic status in the scooter market, let's explore what this updated model has to offer. Design and aesthetic. The 2025 Honda Activa 5G continues the legacy with its sleek and modern design. Featuring clean lines and an aerodynamic profile, this scooter is not just about looks. The updated color palette and stylish graphics add a fresh appeal, making it more attractive to both new riders and loyal fans. The scooter remains compact yet spacious, allowing for easy maneuverability in urban settings. Performance and engine specifications. Under the hood, the 2025 Activa 5G boasts a robust yet efficient 110cc engine. Delivering a smooth and responsive performance, it's designed for the urban commuter who values both power and efficiency. The model incorporates Honda's advanced eco-technology, which enhances fuel efficiency without compromising performance, making it ideal for daily rides. Comfort and convenience. The 2025 model prioritizes rider comfort with its plush seat and ergonomic riding position. The telescopic front suspension ensures a smooth ride over bumps, while the rear suspension provides stability. Additionally, the scooter features a spacious underseat storage compartment, perfect for stowing away essentials without compromising style. Technology and features. Equipped with modern technology, the 2025 Activa 5G includes an all-digital instrument cluster that displays vital information clearly. Smart connectivity features, such as Bluetooth integration, keep riders informed about notifications and navigation. Furthermore, the scooter incorporates enhanced safety features, including CBS, Combi Brake System, for a balanced braking experience. Conclusion. In summary, the 2025 Honda Activa 5G is set to raise the bar in the scooter segment with its combination of style, performance, and technology. Whether you're commuting through the city or enjoying a weekend ride, the Activa 5G promises to deliver a top-notch experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Lab for more updates and reviews on the latest bikes and scooters.